Oh my god, this is so weird. I feel weird with these like vlog style intros, but hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel and another episode of Shundara Creates. But hold up, wait a minute, let me put some boom on it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Shundara Creates family. Make sure you thumbs up this video, you guys. And in this episode of Shundara Creates, we are making a no glue metallic slime, so I'm really excited to make this slime, you guys. Next week we will be doing more ASMR also, and also make sure you guys check us out live every Tuesday, Thursdays, Saturdays, and sometimes Friday. It's fun, it's free, it's lit, and it's a good time, so make sure you guys hang out with us. Also, let's get into this video, but before we do, make sure you check out the end of the video to see if you got a shout out. So yeah, let's go. Well, in order to make this no glue metallic slime, you will need a peel off mask. You can use any peel off mask you like, you guys. I'm just using this version I actually did a skincare video on, and this mask was pretty cheap, so I decided to use it for this beautiful gold slime we're about to make. And because it has like a gold tint to it, it would be perfect for this slime. So after you do that, we're going to use this gold chrome pigment. I really love this pigment. It's a Macone pigment, so that's what we're going to use, and I'm just going to dump it all in for this gold metallic slime we're going to make. You can use any metallic slime you make, and side note, you can use any mask you like. Now we're just going to mix this until it's combined, you guys. So you can use any peel off mask you like. I'm just using this one from that I did a review on from Amazon. However, there are a lot of them at the Freeman mask that you could get at Walmart, and those work perfectly. And there's some peel off masks at Target that Target sells, and those work perfectly as well. But just make sure you mix this gold color into its combined, and you can put this on your face. I thought that was a cute side note. Just make sure it is body safe metallic gold, which this is. And this color is so beautiful. This is actually my favorite mask, and this would be perfect if you're trying to do like a slime video to give away to your friends, or like a slime just for a gift. This would be really cool. So now we're going to use 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder. You may be wondering why I don't have a 3/4 teaspoon. It's because this show is on a budget, and I told you I cannot afford utensils. We are not racking in the views that we used to for Shundara's Create and DIY Saturday and Make It Monday. Remember, we used to get like 100,000 views of videos. Well, guess what, you guys? This show is on a budget, so we are budgeting correctly. So I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, because you know Auntie Shundara just can't afford, you know, measuring utensils like she used to. So, you know, when we get them views up again, hopefully we can. So you just want to mix in that baking soda until it's combined. And now we're going to add contact lens solution. So I just added contact lens solution. However, you can use eye drops as long as it has boric acid. So you just want to mix that into the slime. And then, because like I said, this show is on a budget, we're going to scrape the sides of the bowl. So we're scraping the sides of the bowl until we get all of the metallic mask off the sides of the bowl, because we can't afford it. Now it's still sticky. Y'all know I don't like sticky slimes, so we're just probably going to add a little bit more contact lens solution to this to make it less sticky after we added our 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda. So now that this slime is officially done and it's not as sticky, it's ready to play with. Side note, after a few days, what I've noticed about this slime is it does get a bit of a tinge of green. So just be careful, which makes me kind of weirded out, because I did do a review on that peel off mask, and if it's turning green, what will it do to your face? Oh my god. So I want to thank you so much for watching this episode of Shundara Creates, you guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends about my videos so we can start racking in the views again, so this show won't be on a budget and we don't have to be using busted utensils to make our videos, you guys. So please tell your friends, tell a family, tell a kin, just tell them. You know, it's fun, free, lit, and a good time. We need some money. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Auntie Shundara loves you so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. So every Tuesday we normally do shout out Tuesday, but this video is probably going to be uploaded Wednesday, so it'll be shout out Wednesday. And in the shout outs, every Saturday you have to play the emoji game in order to get a shout out. So if you didn't play the emoji game, you didn't get a shout out. So the shout out for today goes to these lovely people right here. Oh, I need like, hold on. Okay, here we go. So the shout out for today goes to these lovely people right here. And these lovely people right here. So thanks so much for playing the emoji game with us. If you would like to play the emoji game, make sure you check out the video every Saturday and you guess all the emojis plus the question at the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Shundara Creates. Congratulations to all those who played the emoji game. Make sure you thumbs up this video and I'll see you guys Saturday. Oh wait, also, I'm going to leave a poll up for those who stay to the end of the video. I'm going to leave a poll up of what videos I should put up. Would you guys like to see challenges on my channel? Vlog style videos with challenges? Would you like me to do 24-hour challenges or like mysteries or like clues, like stuff like that, or adventures in abandoned places? So I'm going to leave a poll. Also, leave a comment down below letting me know what would you like to see on this channel. Love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.